Yeah, good morning, Brother Gordon. So, this I'm just showing you how the the finish button is working for me. So, if you go to events, you click on events, and select the event that you want to register. You say register, and I'll register Tapiwa Jeka. Tapiwa Jeka at gmail.com. Right. Then it populates all my details here, and I say next, and I'm using A, Douala, pickup, yes, possible arrival date, say 23rd. So what I'm realizing there is if you select this date twice, it's an event that I'm going to capture. If you select it twice, it doesn't give you an error. So the first time gives an error, second time doesn't give an error. Are you coming, children? No. Any transport arrangement? No. And I say next. All right. Then do you have any special dietary restrictions? I say no. Right. What I noticed here is it requires you to upload the medical form. So I have to upload something. If I don't, it doesn't take me to the next. So here, just upload anything. I'm going to sort out the bug there. So if I upload something, right, and I say next, it then takes me to the next form. And then here, you need to, no. Right, so after here, I can just click finish. So after I click finish, it's gonna say it has successfully registered me. It has uploaded the medical form. Then there's something that I need to correct here on something has gone wrong. And if I come to the admin, I want to check my registration. I go to the camp. I go to the convention. Right, already here there's something wrong. It's supposed to show me the graph that shows the people who have registered. So if I go to registration, I can see my registration here. It has been registered on the 21st of August. This is my registration. So it has been successful. So I can register Gordon. Let me say try to register Gordon. Right, register. Let's say Gordon. Right. Okay, let me try the Yahoo email. I think I'm registered the Yahoo email. Yahoo. Okay. Okay, so it populates your details there. Then I say next. Okay, profession, some profession, and then nationality. Cameroon. Right. Okay. Next. Yeah. Yaoundé. Yes. That. And that, and children, no. Next. Okay, let me just upload something here. Okay, that and that, no. Next. Right, no. And finish. So it is registered you successfully. If I go to the admin, I check. Right, there you are. So Gordon is now registered. Right, so it's fine. If I want to remove someone, I can delete. I want to register that person, deregister that. So attended is deregistered successfully. So it's working.